This 2021 Vanleigh Beacon 41FLB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Vanleigh is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features carbon monoxide detector, skylight, air conditioning, slide-out, LP detector, TV, stove-top burner, external shower, microwave, awning, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front bath, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Vanleigh Beacon 41FLB is 15,400 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.